Welcome back.
Okay, so I changed the name of the channel again. Barn Garage TV is now BFH Garage. Alright? I think maybe that'll get a little more attention. If you know what BFH stands for, then this is the channel for you.
Finally got something fun here.
Splurged a little bit on this one. This 04EX appears to be very well taken care of, or has very low hours on it.
I mean, the last one I bought had the paint rubbed off A-arms. And this one's all...
The suspension's all stock, but
it does have some goodies on it. We'll go over that here in a sec.
So yeah.
It's got Renthal bars. It's got a full FMF exhaust on it. Yeah. It's got real V-locks on it.
Hypertech?
Carbon fiber V-locks. Of course, ITPs. Yeah. Swing arm is stock, but it's got nice Renthal skid. Nice Tusk bars. Somebody told me these ASV levers alone are like 100 a piece, and I believe it. They're pretty nice. So yeah, here's the new whip. Looking forward to doing some adventuring on this thing. I don't know. See if I could somehow get some footage of myself riding it. I haven't gotten the GoPro yet, but man, I'll tell you.